Okay, so on this question, they want us to simplify this expression. And we can't just cancel these y squareds. Why not? Because we have adding, subtracting. So you can't cancel. I can just prove it real quick. Like if you had 4 plus 2 over 2, that's really 6 over 2. That's really 3. If you cancel those, now it's 4. See, that's just not right. You can't cancel added items. If they're multiplied, then it's okay. Let me prove it again. If you had them times on the top, that'd be 8 over 2, which is really 4. See how canceling the 2's is okay now? So you can't cancel added items. You can only cancel multiplied items. Therefore, when we have adding, subtracting in a fraction, like we do right here, you have to make it multiply. Because you can't cancel added and subtracted items. You have to make it multiplied. What is the word we use for make it multiplied? It's factor. That's what factoring does, make it multiplied. So I have to come in here and I have to factor the top and the bottom of this fraction. Okay, so how do I factor the top? Well, when it comes to factoring, the first thing we always look for is if there's something in common. Do the terms all share something? Yeah, on the top they do. They both have a y, don't they? So I'll take out a y. And whenever you do what's in common, you do one parenthesis, not two. You look for that first. What do they have? Well, it'd be y plus 2 because y times y and y times 2 would go back to y squared and 2y, wouldn't it? Okay. Now on the bottom, what about the bottom? Well, on the bottom, do they both share something in common? No. No, the first one just has y squared. The second one says 4. There's nothing in common. So then I can't do the one parenthesis, take out what's in common, do the one parenthesis. They don't have anything in common. So then I go right to the 2 parentheses. Remember how to factor y squared minus 4? Y times y in the front, 2 times 2, 1 positive, 1 negative, right? Because positive 2 times negative 2. Remember, it's a multiply, like that. Okay, and so now we can cancel. Why? Because they're times. See these parentheses, everything is now times. That's what factoring does, is make them times. So now you can cancel. So what do we have left? Y on the top, just a y, and on the bottom, y minus. So you don't need the parentheses on the bottom anymore because there's nothing to separate it from. Now, can I cancel these y's here? No, again, this is subtracted. You can't cancel added, subtracted items. You're just done right there. That's your answer. So the top is y, the bottom is y minus 2, and there we go.